Hi, and welcome to the hands-on feature engineering course with Python. My name is Sahiba Chopra. I have a bachelor's degree in economics and Chinese. I have 4 years of experience working on data science projects in renewable energy, video streaming, and microfinance. I'm currently working as lead data scientist at a microfinance company. I also regularly write blogs on data science. You can follow me on my LinkedIn profile. Let's go through the course overview. This course is split up into 5 sections. In section 1, I will be introducing feature engineering. We will be covering feature engineering, its techniques, and installation instructions. We will also download a dataset and build a baseline machine learning model where we will go through the reasons why feature engineering is required to optimize and make better ML models. In section 2, we will be implementing feature extraction. In this section, we will be going over various techniques that will help us extract and derive features from a raw data set. We will be working with numerical data sets to understand different feature extraction techniques and how to generate new features or combine existing features to create new features. In section 3, we will be implementing feature transformation. This section will include a variety of techniques where we will be dealing with data types in numerical data and transforming these data types and transforming the features based on methods like scaling, removing outliers, normalizing the data, and missing data handling. In section 4, we will be implementing feature selection. We will be going over statistical approaches for choosing the best features using filter methods, wrapper methods, and looking at the feature importance. In section 5, we will be putting all of these concepts together by building an ensemble machine learning model on a feature engineered data set based on the techniques that we have learned in all the previous 4 sections. So why this course? This course can give you expert knowledge on different feature engineering techniques on different data sets. We will be going over feature engineering techniques used on numerical data sets and exploring these different techniques and how they improve model performance. We will be uncovering and executing feature extraction techniques that are very popular and are very useful in improving the performance of machine learning models. And you will also learn how to build an ensemble model based on a feature engineered dataset. This course assumes that you have basic familiarity with Python, as well as machine learning concepts and some basic knowledge in linear algebra. We will also be using Jupyter Notebooks, so you will have to have that downloaded in your system because all of the code that we will be using in this course will be Python code in a Jupyter Notebook. So let's get started.